Good afternoon. Me and Joshua will present the Ngorongoro Lengai UNESCO Global Geopark, and our site is Laetoli and Olduvai. One of our colleagues is not here, Lightness Kiambile, but we present this site as one of a very important site to know our evolution as a human. Hominid live there, so we think that it's deserved to be in one of the first 100 sites. The site is located in East Africa, in Ngorongoro Lengai UNESCO Global Geopark, mainly in Ngorongoro Conservation Area Authority, northeast of Tanzania. This site are 20 kilometers apart within our area, and its general geological setting. The site are on the Serengeti Plain, very close to Ngorongoro Volcanic Island, which is confined between the two East African Grigol Rift Valley, two arms of Grigol Rift Valley, Eyasi faults, and this fault running from Mtoambu to these are two faults which confine the Ngorongoro Volcanic Island. It is these volcanics which their ashes deposited in this area, and then where our ancestors lived there. So geological description of the area, as I said, it is composed of pyroclastic materials, mainly ashes and pumice, and deposited in the number of beds. Like you can see, this is Olduvai. This is number of beds which deposited in different time sequence, and Laetoli, it has an area of about 1,000 kilometers square, and a lot of deposition have been identified, and within this deposition, the deposit of Laetoli have been described into lower and upper. The upper Laetoli bed, which is the one which is rich in footprints and some hominids. Among the discovered in Laetoli are this Homo sapiens, Archean Homo sapiens, and Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, and the footprints. This is the upper Laetoli bed. It is this one. And Olduvai Gorge is 48 kilometer long and 100 meter deep gorge, running eastward from into Obaba Depression. It's running from Golini, where Serengeti is, to this area. This area is Obaba Depression, cut by the Ngorongoro Volcanic Island. A lot of this one faults, a lot of faults, small faults have been developed. The area is seismically active, still active. We have one Oldonyo Lengai mountain which is active and causes this faults. So a lot have been discovered in Olduvai, include including hominid of this hominids. There is a overlap of hominids which are discovered in there, and their tools. These are stone tools which have been discovered, and these are hominid fossils which have been discovered in the Laetoli beds. Olduvai beds. Scientific traditionally, this area have been researched by some numbers of people, including one who make it more popular, Riki family. And but before them, there is Professor Khatibu and Professor Hans Lake, these are Germans. And then Riki family, these ones are just left after the World Wars happened. And then Lake family have been occupied the area, and from there we have a number of people comes. These are our team. These are some teams which have been operating the research until now, and there is more than a lot of PhD have been obtained from there. One of them is from Paul Clement Manega and Jackson Jau, and some number of universities which have been conducted and come with their students to conduct some research. So it's a very potential area for the world to discover a lot about our past and then to predict our future. This is a number of publications from Code. I obtained this from Code. Until now, they have been collecting a lot of publication, 379. This is re-excavation of Laetoli footprints. This is the Riki family, and the last one, this is the current research which is going there. Maybe Joshua, come.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now it's the main arguments why this site is important. Well, as it speaks itself, it's very important in terms of understanding human evolution, both biologically and culturally. And the fossils which have been found there have been preserved in a very good condition, such that it's not that much difficult to interpret and to understand clearly. So the size altogether tells us the story of human evolution from 5 million years ago to date, in terms of fossils, in terms of cultural changes in that place. And that sequence is unbroken, it's continuous. You find it complete in one place. The Laetoli itself is about 27 meters long. That was the old trail. We have recently found a new trail, which we don't know how long it is, but we have managed to expose about 15 meters. Now we are discovering that there were like two sets of hominids. These are Australopithecus afarensis, which are dated 5 million years ago, together as Lucy, which was found in Ethiopia. We have the Olduvai Gorge itself, from the Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, and us to date. Now the site has on-site, the best on-site museum, where all these findings have been exposed in that area. Asante sana, I wish to see you at the Olduvai. Thank you very much.